What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Take a look on these two rifles right here. This one here is my Brazilian Mauser in 30-06. Really nice rifle here. This one, I believe they use it in some war out there, and you can see 97 stamp right here. And this one here is my 303 British rifle. You guys know they also use this one in copper war as well. So I am out here shooting some videos, so I said let me put these two side by side and you guys can let me know which one you think, if you have these two rifles, which one you would hang on to. This one here is my keeper, so I'm going to just throw it right out there. This is my keeper, but I would love to hear from you guys which one of these rifles you guys think it's cooler, the Brazilian Mauser or the 303 British. So I'm gonna take 3 shot with each one of them and go from here. You go, guys. Highs and here's. Let's go popping. I can tell you guys from now, shoot this one and this one. This one it give you more kicks because the shell, the 30-06 shell I'm using, it's 180 grains. The 303 shell, it's a smaller shell and I don't even know what grains this one is. But this one here is a more harder kicking rifle. Maybe because of the shell, but you guys can let me. Let's pop one more. All clear. Let's go with this one here. This is not a heavy rifle as well, so let me get her to fire one. Man. Really nice, guys. You know, when I was making that video with my 303 rifle here and I put a shell through it, I couldn't close my bolt and I know there was nothing in there stopping it from shooting because I already checked the bore already. So I'm here wondering why it's not loading the rounds. So when I take my bolt out, I realized the bolt head, it was screwed. So I just have to just screw it back and then it closed. I almost give up, so I'm going to take it to a gunsmith. So I take a second look and I realize the end of the bolt, I just screw it back in place and it was good from here. And there you guys go. Let me know what you guys, which one of these you would pick. The Brazilian Mauser in 30-06 or the good old 303 Lee-Enfield rifle here. My pick is the Lee-Enfield rifle. They are both awesome firearms any way you look at them, but that is it, guys. I'm going to be out for now. Let me know what your guys' pick is, but peace, love, unity out.